What is up, YouTube world? I am headed out on a run. I was just commenting with another YouTuber on his channel, just talking about how to get into shape, and it's not easy. I've been lucky where I haven't gained a lot of weight. I've always been in decent shape. For me, it's been more I get like sickly, like I lose a lot of weight, and it's hard to put on muscle. Luckily, I'm starting to put some on. I'm still not where I want to be, but one key is I'm just trying to do better. You don't have to be perfect. You don't have to go crazy. Just go out and do better. Just do more than you've done. Even if you never do push-ups ever, just start today and do 2 push-ups. That's it. Just anything you can do. Now, I think you could probably do more than 2 push-ups, but it's where you don't want to make it so it's such a terrible thing, because a lot of people, they just hate working out because it's hard. If it was easy, everybody would do it, right? As the saying goes. So the key is make it almost so you can't fail at the beginning. Give yourself some momentum of some sort. It's the whole compound effect. It's the idea of if I gave you the option between a penny today that would double every day or $1 million just right now, which would you take? And a lot of people, if they stop and think about it, they realize it's a trick question, because after about 20 days, the penny really starts going. And after 31 days, it's worth over $10 million. And so you could have either taken that 1 million and then it had been gone. 1 million is still great, but wouldn't you rather have 10 million? And all it took was a penny. Just consistency is the key there. Small things done daily make big differences in the long run. I mean, that's not very eloquent, but it's true. So I'm gonna go on a run real quick. It is a beautiful day. I think it's probably 90 degrees right now. I don't mind the heat, but if you can, run in the morning. If you don't like the heat, whatever, just get outside and do it. If you don't run, like I started with the idea this week that I was just gonna run like a half a mile, and then I got out and this isn't too bad, so I ran a mile. And then the next day I ran 1.25 miles. Then the next day I ran 1.5 miles. And I'm planning on running around 2 miles today if I have time before dinner. My wife really wants to eat it, and I'm wasting time talking to you guys. So it's not a waste of time. Sorry, I don't mean that. Forgive me. I love you guys. Okay, I will see you after my run. Bye. 1 mile down. Now I gotta run back home. Let's do this. What's up? What's up, YouTube peeps? I just got home. Went 2 miles. I kind of walked, I think, 3 times shortly. Back killed me that time. It's the farthest I've ran in a long time. I'm proud of myself. I'm gonna go get some water, go get some dinner. Just stop talking and start doing. If there was one thing I could say, is stop talking and start doing. See you guys later.